Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. My name is Clinton Eleto. Now Hasselhoff played yesterday, but Kotoko was the talk of the town because Kotoko couldn't beat Liwa FC. And now I know some fans are actually worried. I don't know why fans are worried that Kotoko can't beat lower division side abroad. Now you see that those lower division side, they are very familiar with the pitch they're playing with. We are in the country and they are more familiar with playing, in Asia, in Dubai, and other places. Generally in Ghana, travel if a Ghana team travel abroad to play, they always get this what do you call it? This fright, this fear to play away from Ghana. I'm sure that if those teams had traveled to Kumasi or to Accra or to play Ghana here, to play Kotoko here in Ghana, I'm sure that we would have beaten them like 3 or 4-0. So I mean, I'm not worried. The only important thing everyone should be focusing on is on the tactics and the fitness of the boys, because they're getting a lot of experience from this preseason, and when they come back, they'll put it in good use. Like I said, the last time Kotoko went out to play preseason outside the country, they came back and they took the league. They won the league. They lost heavily in the preseason away from the country. I think the last time Kotoko went out for the preseason, they lost heavily in the games away from Ghana, but they came back, played very well, and won the league by a huge margin. So all these things, I'm not perturbed by the results we are getting. I'm just focused on the fitness. I was very pleased that Steven Amankona scored against Liwa FC, and I think that's the positives I'm getting from that game. I heard Kotoko played very well. I heard there was a 9 minutes that Liwa FC started gaining control and all that. That states that the players got tired early, and personality will have to work on that. So overall, I think Kotoko is a big club in Ghana. Hasselhoff played yesterday, but everyone is talking about Kotoko couldn't be lower division, and the way the blogs are putting it is as if the Liwa FC won't come to Ghana here and beat most of the teams here. So I'm actually focused on the fitness and the tactics that the coach is employing. Now, if Kotoko win, I'll be happy. They don't win, we take it like that, because that is not the most important thing. Because if we win, we are not getting any trophy for that. So the preseason is going well, I think. Yes, I know we are going to do well. I just know we are going to do well. We have the players. It's just the mentality I'm scared of. That's the thing. It's just the mentality I'm scared of. You see, House of Oak, they don't have good players, but they have the winning mentality. I know I shouldn't be comparing with House of Oak, but yesterday I went to the match. I actually watched the game because I went there to cover the game for Sahara Football. I watched the game. They don't have good players. It's just the mentality they have that's winning them games. So Kotoko have the players, but they don't have that mentality. That is the different thing between that's the difference between House of Oak and Asante Kotoko. Kotoko don't have the mentality, but have the players. House of Oak don't have good players. Like if they have good players are like 2 or 3, the centre back and the rest, 2 or 3 players that are very good, but the team mentality is very strong. If Kotoko can create or invent a new mentality, a new identity in this upcoming season, I'm sure we are going to torment all the teams in the Ghana Premier League. We can even win the Ghana Premier League a month or 2 months before the end of the season. So I'm very pleased with the way things are going. I would like to know your thoughts, what you think about the preseason and the game against Liwa FC, and your expectations from the team when they come back from Ghana. So I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, please do that right now and hit the notification bell. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.